Probably get gloves. Probably not.
Probably realistically don't need. What do you taking them apart for?
I'm gonna sand and paint the outside. I'm not gonna paint this shit.
What the fuck am I talking about?
What are you thinking, buddy?
I don't know. Yeah, I'm really not realistic.
Damn, I might need my pocket screwdriver. Oh no, it's good. I already had it out.
Are you gonna do anything with the carbon or no? Just leave it.
I might re-clear it, maybe.
Re-clear it. Yeah.
Probably just polish it though, like with my mini buffer.
Really need a re-clear. Yeah.
It's probably fine. Just polish it. Apparently, you're supposed to be able to pop these mirrors out. So you gotta be careful. Where I got one. This one's chill.
Yeah, that one's fine.
You talking about that?
Yeah. It's always funny.
Oh, dusty as hell in there, bro.
Australian dust.
Word, you got that one. Oh, it's only one more. It's only one at the bottom.
Should be fine. Oh, cool. Right.
For the automatic, I guess. No, I think. Maybe I'll just have to take these out. As you guys know, I am a Ganador technician, officially. So we know exactly how to do this. Can you, like, oh, never mind. Yeah. I might have to take this off.
No, I think you can fit.
Hold up. Let me get this. I think this should just take the wires off from this base plate. Might be glued or something.
It'll fit, I think. Maybe get the wire through first and then like that.
There you go. Better say, bro. Ain't no way it's on there like that.
I didn't see the lip part.
Well, GG. It's cool for now.
We're right back at it.
Word. Trying to push that out. Sure.
Take in my hood.
Yeah.
That's not bad. Let's just keep going.
Work. So yeah, it's hooked up like this.
Brake hard way.
I should have got my flashlight for real,
Oh yeah. I think we have one here.
but it ain't that deep really. Chill. That's chill.
This thing hasn't run in like 3 months.
Yeah. change gloves. Alright guys, so this is a few weeks after on the mirrors, after they got painted, finished up, cleared, all that whatnot, on the car installed. They actually turned out pretty good. The car kind of has been sitting, so they are a little dirty, but the paint itself, besides the dust and stuff right now, turned out super good. No drips, runs, or nothing underneath or around. Paint turned out like super solid. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of this style of video. This is my first video doing like GoPro head mount. It was kind of hard for me to get the commentary because I was really just, it doesn't even feel like I got a camera on. I was pretty much just focusing on like what I was doing. If I do it again, I'll definitely get better with the commentary. Thank you guys for watching though. Go ahead and like and subscribe if you are new. And y'all take it easy. Be ready for the next video. Something coming soon with the brakes.